Understanding On the Fringe, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, on the fringe. This phrase is rich in meaning and often used in various contexts. Whether you're a language enthusiast or an English learner, understanding such expressions can greatly enhance your language skills. Let's explore what on the fringe really means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. On the fringe is an idiomatic expression in English, typically used to describe something or someone that is not part of the mainstream or is considered unconventional. The term fringe literally refers to the edge or border of something, and when used metaphorically in this phrase, it suggests being on the outskirts or margins of a particular group, activity, or society. This can be in terms of social groups, ideas, fashion, or even geographical locations. To better understand on the fringe, let's look at some examples. 1. Social context. The artist spent most of his life on the fringe of the art community, rarely conforming to mainstream trends. 2. Political context. The party's radical policies place it on the fringe of the political spectrum. 3. Cultural context. She always enjoyed exploring fringe theater productions that were not part of the mainstream entertainment industry. These examples show how the phrase can be flexibly used in various contexts to describe being outside the conventional or accepted norms. Now, let's practice using on the fringe in sentences. His research interests are on the fringe of traditional science, often exploring unorthodox theories. Living on the fringe of the city has its advantages, like less noise and more space. The documentary focused on communities that exist on the fringe of society. Notice how the phrase adds depth and nuance to each sentence, indicating a position that's outside the norm. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, on the fringe, with confidence. It's a great example of how English language is full of rich and expressive idioms that can add color to your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.